The article discusses Google's Gemini 2.5 flash image model, nicknamed Nano Banana, which revolutionizes AI-generated images through natural language prompts. This tutorial aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of its functionalities, applications, and best practices for users ranging from artists to marketers. The model emphasizes accessibility, enabling high-quality image creation without requiring extensive design skills. Its core features include advanced natural language processing and the ability to generate images based on user-defined prompts. Visit our website, electronicsengineering.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro-tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.